Hi, my name is Michael Spild. Today I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT's AI-generated image modeler Sora. In addition to creating images with AI, it's able to produce videos and render changes to existing photos. It's similar to Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, DALL-E, and Google Gemini's Veo. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Sora from the website. If you go into ChatGPT, though, you can also collect Sora, which will be on the toolbar on the left. So once you're in Sora, you'll have a very similar platform that will be showing you a feed of other images or videos that other users have created. So your screen may not look exactly like mine, but it will be really similar in the sense that it has the toolbar on the left and the activity icon in the upper right corner. So I'll be showing you how to create a AI generated image from scratch, along with how to render changes to an existing photo with AI. So I'll take on the persona of someone wanting to start a dog food company looking for ideas for their logo. So I'm going to give Sora a prompt, generate an image of a dog flying a plane. Label the image with cartoonish font, Happy Dog Food Inc. And I'm going to create the image, but before that, I have the option to decide how I want the image to take shape. If I want it to be a square, then I'm going to set the aspect ratio 1:1. If I want a horizontal image, 3:2 aspect ratio, and if I want the rectangular image in a vertical direction, then the 2:3 ratio. But I'm fine with the square. So I'm going to create those images. And one other feature is the variations tab. So you have the option to create up to 4 images with one prompt. I had selected 2 images. So in addition to creating that image from scratch with AI in Sora, you have the option to upload an image directly from your device. I have already uploaded the images that I'm going to use under my tab already, so I'm going to go ahead and ask it to take these 3 photos, and I'm going to ask it to create a new professional headshot. I'm going to use this woman's banner, which I had seen in an advertisement for an exposition recently, and I'm going to add that to the professional headshot as well. So create a professional headshot of the man in the first 2 images. Keep it clean and in a nice suit. Include the banner in the 3rd image of the woman. Make the banner blue and say AI skilled. So I'm gonna, again, I have the option to set the aspect ratio or change the number of image options that I want it to generate. I'm gonna leave it at 2, and then I'm going to create that image. So it's added to the queue. If I wanted to go into the queue, it looked like, as I was setting that up, the dog logo had been finished, so I can look at those. So I have 2 options here. So I think I like that one, so I might go ahead and save the image to my computer. If I wanted to make changes, I can go into the prompt again and make those changes. So generate an image of a dog flying a plane with a friend cat. I might also want to say include a night sky and houses below. So I like the Happy Dog Food Inc., but I'm going to give it more specification. So label the image with cartoonish font, Happy Dog Food Inc., with the first 2 words above the plane and the dog, and the last 2 words below the plane and the dog. So I kind of want to spread out the name of my business. Just as a heads up, you can only have one image prompt generated at a time, so that's why I had to wait until my professional headshot was done. You can change the aspect ratio or the number of variations. I'm fine with two. Just for time, though, I'm going to just ask it to create one new option and go ahead and create that in the queue. So as it's creating the new dog food logo, I'm going to check out the professional headshots, and you guys tell me, what do you think? It's a little bit off, but I see the resemblance, especially in the eyebrows. But I like that it did include the AI skilled banner, not quite like the woman's banner, but it kind of got the general idea. And it did include a nice clean suit as part of it. So as my dog food logo is wrapping up, you can see how far along it is with the icon under the activity tab. I'm just going to point out a few other options you have with Sora. So you can also go into the images or videos tab and see other renderings that other people have created. These are usually ones that have been frequently viewed. You can similar to what you can do with social media. You can view the most popular ones for the day, I believe the week or the month, um, and kind of scroll through. You can get new ideas that way or just have fun with it and see what other people have been creating. So I'm going to go back into my activity queue, see what the logo is. Happy Dog Food Inc. It didn't quite split the words as I had asked it to. So I think there's still some tweaking, but I like how it captured the night sky and the house below. So I'm going to go with it, and I can save the image to my hard drive and use for my business later. So that is how to use Sora 101. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at my name, michaelspilg@gmail.com. Um, Hope you guys had a fun time watching this video and got some new ideas of how to use AI.